Hi, in this video I will show you how to make a normal decrease and an invisible decrease. We're going to crochet 2 stitches together, make 2 stitches, 1 stitch out of 2 stitches, and we're going to crochet these 2 stitches together. And first I'll show you the normal decrease. To do this we're going to go into the first stitch, grab the yarn and pull it through. Now you have 2 loops on your crochet hook. Go into the second stitch, grab the yarn again and pull it to the stitch. Now you have 3 loops on your crochet hook. Now grab the yarn and pull it through all 3 stitches at once. This is the normal decrease. And now I'll show you the invisible decrease. And then you can choose for yourself which one you prefer to use. Now we're going to again crochet 2 stitches together, these next 2 stitches. But now I'm going to go into only the front loop of the first stitch and also only the front loop of the second stitch. I'm going to grab the yarn and pull it through both front loops. Now I have 2 loops on my crochet hook. I'm going to grab the yarn again and pull it through both loops. This is called the invisible decrease. I prefer to use the invisible decrease on cotton yarn, but when I use plush yarn I prefer the normal decrease, because then the stitches are harder to see. This is the invisible decrease, so it's quite hard to see where the decrease is. This is why that's why it's called an invisible decrease. And this is the normal decrease, which is a bit more visible. So that's the difference. I will also show you why it's easier to use a normal decrease for plush yarn. The stitches are more difficult to see with plush yarn, that's why I'm using a normal decrease. I'm going to go into the next stitch. I'm going to grab the yarn. See, it's a bit more difficult to find, so I'm going to grab the yarn and pull it through. I have 1 loop, 2 loops on my crochet hook. I'm going to go to the next stitch, grab the yarn and pull it through. I have 3 loops on my crochet hook, and I'm going to grab the yarn and pull it through 3 loops. This is how you make a normal decrease. It's much easier to use for plush yarn. I hope this was very helpful for you. If you like making amigurumi, then check out all the videos on my YouTube channel. I've made the ones that you see now, but also many more patterns. And all of them are also available as free patterns on my website. And the link is in the description of this video. Please subscribe to my channel and like the video. That would be really great. It would be also really great if you could leave a comment. I also made a book for beginners, for everyone that wants to make amigurumi. Thank you for watching the video.